All right, let's do a quick tour of the King Resort Room, or Resort King Room, at the Horseshoe, Las Vegas. So as you can see, as you walk in, you've got ample space there in the bedroom. Take a look at that here in a second. First to your right is a closet, which I have taken use of, and a nice little safe, which I have also used while I was out of the room. To the left is the wonderfully appointed bathroom. I'm just making stuff up. I don't even know if it's appointed or not, but there's me. And there's some nice little Jose Iber products. The necessity and the shower with a needs to be cleaned rainfall shower head. So, back out to the room. We have a suitcase holder, which I have made use of, a mirror, and over here you have a nice little side desk with a phone and a grimy remote control. Got a Bible in case you want to read that. More storage space down there. Nice 70s lamps, even though they did renovate this, I believe, a year ago. Let's see, you've got an ice bucket and 2 cups. No microwave, no coffee maker. More storage here, which I'm using. And I might have some cookies down there and some water. They don't provide water, so I had to go buy my own and stock the little fridge they've got here behind that counter door. So, TV, decent size, nothing really to watch. Workstation, garbage. On the side of the counter there below the TV, there's some extra plugs for whatever you're using, laptop chargers, there's USB stuff. The work desk with a nice little 70s looking chair. And we also have a couple of lounge chairs, a little table, another lamp, I love lamp. Some sort of charger for a phone that doesn't work. More storage with nothing inside. And we have the Michael Scott bed. At the end of the king size bed that has 4 different size pillows. So you can take your pick of which one is going to make your neck hurt the most. And let's take a look at our wonderful view here on the 18th floor of the Horseshoe Hotel and Casino. Bright lights. There we go. Whole lot of nothing. There's a parking garage. There's a pool that's not being used. There's a bunch of empty parking over there. A couple of hotels. Can't really see much. The Westin down there. And the other part of the Horseshoe. And there's the roof. Some part of the hotel. So, that's it. That is the wonderful Resort King Room here at Horseshoe. Nice cool 68 degrees. Alright, see you guys later.